In this tutorial, we will see how to export a point shapefile from QGIS as CSV with coordinates. Here we have one point shapefile. You can see the points. Now we will export these points as a CSV file and then again import that CSV file as point. For that, let's right click on points shapefile and then export save feature as. From the format, you need to select comma separated value and then we will write the file name. Let's browse the location first, and in our downloads folder, let's write the shape as points CSV, and you see the save as type is comma separated value, and now we will save. And then from CRS we can define our coordinate reference system. Let's write it 4326 WGS84. Now go down and here you will see one geometry option. Before selecting that, let's go to see our attribute table of the point shapefile. Let's close this now and see the attribute table. In attribute table, you can see that we do not have any X and Y column for the coordinates. But since QGIS has the geometry or coordinates internally, if we use the geometry, it can automatically create the geometry columns for us. Let's close this and right click and export save feature as again. Let's write the name again, points CSV, save, and default CRS 4326 because it is the CRS that is usually used by the GPS satellites. Now under the layer options in geometry, we need to select the geometry. We can make it WGT or XY. Let's make our geometry columns as coordinate X longitude and Y latitude. If we wanna name the geometry, let's make it XY, and then if we save now, our geometry or CSV will be saved with coordinates column. Okay, let's close this and go to the downloads folder. Here we can see that the point CSV is created. Let's open the CSV file. You can see that the CSV file contains longitude and latitude. So since this has the X and Y column, we can easily import it to any GIS software as a point shapefile. Let's close this and go to QGIS. Now we will import the CSV as a point layer in QGIS. Let's remove this point CSV and go to layer, add layer, and add delimited text layer. From here we need to browse the file. The file is point CSV. Let's open, and then you see the point coordinates automatically detected X field and Y field. If we name it differently, suppose if our CSV file contains the name as longitude X, latitude Y, then we need to manually select this. But usually if it is X, Y or longitude, latitude, QGIS automatically identify those as longitude and latitude column. Here you can select the CRS. Since our CRS was 4326, we need to select 4326. And then let's add. close. We can change the symbology a little bit. Okay, now if we close, turn on and turn off, you can see the point shapefile is correctly shown in the right place. Thanks for watching.